Hello guys and welcome to the Axel Sniper Garage. Thousand excuses for not filming this awesome project from the beginning. I didn't have enough time to film this project. I started this project spontaneously, so it was my second project I did at the same time with Pannonia. This project is called IJ-56. It's a Russian old motorcycle that was needed a little bit to be restored. So now it's the final lap, it's the final step of restoration of this motorcycle. So as you see here, the motorcycle is already painted, almost all parts are polished, and the last thing I have to do is just assemble it. And if something missing, I have to find it. Or if something is not done yet, is not restored yet, I have at the same time with the restoration process to restore the parts that are not done. You know, my head is a little bit messy about remembering all the stuff I did with both projects. So, sorry, excuse me, forgive me for not filming this project from the beginning. But now I have to start it. I have to start assembling because everything is almost done. Remains just some parts to sandblast, some just tiny details. I can start with assembling the front end, forks, triple tree, and after step by step I can assemble it from the front end to the rear end. So, wait a minute. This is the wheel paint, the silver one. It's ideal for painting engines or aluminum parts. This one is pretty good. I already painted, it's right there, the brake drum covers. But after spraying those parts with this paint, I have to coat them with liqueur, which is gone. So the shop is already closed, so I can't do nothing. I have to go tomorrow to buy a new one, but this one goes to the trash. Beautiful. Now, sorry, I'm a little bit excited. There is a weird guy who is looking at me, speaking to the camera. He's thinking I'm crazy, but I don't give a fuck. So let's start. The knee pad rubber bolt, like this, like here, is like this head. What? What? What the fuck? Oh, There's something fixing those motherfuckers. Right? I have something. Hammer fix everything. Sorry. Customer, excuse me, but fuck you. Yes. 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 Hello guys and welcome to the Axel Sniper Garage. Now I look a little bit better than previous times and I feel better. I suffered an allergic reaction, so several days I was like a piece of shit. But now I finally finished this electric system and I am full of proudness. So I want to show it to you. Just look. Awesome. Now look at this. I'm pressing the stop pedal. Awesome. Also, the speedometer light is too weak, but it's enough to see the dial of this speedometer at the nighttime. Sweet. Yeah, it's in neutral. So this lamp shows that we are in the neutral position, but when I put it in the gear, let's move it a little bit. Oh, god damn it. Yeah. Now it shows that you're in the gear. Pretty sweet. I love this system. So, in order not to kill this battery, because it's not recommended for an old motorcycle with a 6-volt system to leave it just work on its energy. So, I will take the key out of here. I can leave it here, but not press it to the bottom. God damn it, it's so cool. I assembled the cables. I have to put another engine cover right there. I just have to seal it with silicone, and after I'll have to put the Kickstarter pedal, which is here. This one restored. And the gear changing pedal, another one. Yes, in this system you can change the gears with your foot or with your hand. Pretty interesting system. I love this. I just fucking love this bike. In the future I'm thinking of buying a motorcycle like this, but I hope I'll find a model which is earlier than this one. This one is called IJ-56, but I need IJ-49. The initials 49 shows you the year, so I'll find that bike and I'll restore that bike like this. I'm fucking full of proudness, people, just trust me. This is all fucking assembled by myself. Okay, not all. My friend Vasya Kožukar, who's one of my best friends, he's also my friend on Facebook, on other social websites. You can find him, you can talk to him, pretty nice guy. He's fucking obsessed about classic bikes. He's also obsessed about cafe racing culture, bobber motorcycles, choppers, just anything about customizing and restoration. You can find his own channel, maybe he'll start making some videos, maybe not, who knows. He helped me to assemble this fucking gearbox. Oh my god. How many fucking hours did we fuck to assemble this motherfucking gearbox? I don't really remember, but it's something around 15 hours or something. We just put sealing rings on the shafts to regulate it to fit in the gears perfectly. So here, to fit the gears one in another, you have to put on the secondary shaft and primary shaft to regulate them on the left or right with additional sealing, not sealing rings, but something like a spacering rings. So, god damn it. Yeah, now it's working pretty nice. pretty nice. So, goodbye, see you in the next video. And hopefully next video will be test driving this guy. So, goodbye. Hey guys, I have to say that I'm ending this project. Oh, I'm so excited, and I feel like I have to lose a part of me because I spent a lot of time with this project. So I got used to this pain, to those sufferings I have with this every fucking night spent for repairing, restoring every fucking tiny part of this motorcycle. So I got used to this, and I feel a little bit sad that I have to bring this bike back to the owner. If you see, this bike is restored to every fucking tiny detail. Jesus Christ. Every single bolt in this bike was disassembled by me, restored and assembled back. Jesus Christ, this is an awesome feeling. This bike is beautiful. Yeah. So, guys, thank you a lot for watching my videos, appreciating my efforts. I hope you'll appreciate my works in the future. I hope I'll not bullshit my works in the future. I'll improve my skills, I'll be better. So, thank you a lot for supporting me. It brings me more power to do more and more and more. So, Jesus Christ, I'm so emotional. Ah. I wanna dance. I can't dance. I'm the worst dancer in the world, but I'm so excited I just wanna dance. So, thank you a lot for appreciating my videos. See you in the next episode of Axel Sniper Garage. And goodbye.
Это ненормально. Вот так нормально.
Finally, it's going home. The owner. This moment is so nostalgic. Jesus Christ. I'll never see this bike again. Beautiful. Goodbye, IJ-56. Oh man. So sad. Goodbye. Oh my god.